Hi friends, I want to show you my new cosmetic bag. It's pink, it's beautiful, and it's so strong and secure. Look at that. I want to show you this. You can open it here. And you will find this mirror, this organizer for your brushes, and right here you can put all these divisions this way or this way. You can change the organization of your cosmetic bag. You can move it easy, and you can put all your cosmetics or jewelry or anything you need to put here. You can organize perfectly. And it came with this cable. Is for charging your mirror. Yes, they have light, and you can charge it here. As you can see, you can put it this here, and with a USB port you can charge it in any electrical station. Now, the best part, this case is perfect to use in any place because you have the light you need every time. You push just here like that, and you can adjust the bright, high, medium, light. It's perfect for your trips, for your home, for your work. If you need to take with you your cosmetics all day, you can use this. So we want to put some things here so you can see how it works this case. I wanna organize this way. Here, I'm gonna put my brushes like here or here, and you can protect it with this. This one I wanna put it here, here. So, as you can see, it's perfect for you or for a gift. See you, friends.